Really? This early in November? You get snow? Look at that. Even up here. And up there you can't see, but on this side you can partly see. Look at that. It's crazy. Let's take these cans out. Wish I could ask Fred to help me with them. I can't even tell if it's recycling week or not. I don't see a can out there. This shed. Okay, I really don't know if it's recycling week or not. Oh, it's colder than a witch is. Than a witch out here. That I'm freezing my fingers off. Red? What is going on? Okay, Red. What do you have that sledgehammer? And why are our furnace filters there? Oh, I just want to fix our furnace filters. No! Stop! No! Red! Ah, take that, you dumb filters! What the heck is the matter with you? Tip. A little thing to say before I continue. These furnace filters have already been used. And I already got a new furnace filter. No! Oh, Red! Oh, come! Oh my God! No! Give me that. We'll be back for those. Unbelievable. Why did you do that? Oh, because they might not have worked? Well, we don't know if they would work or not. They always work. Okay. I just wanted to see if they were broken. I could have a little fun time. What the heck is wrong with you? You completely destroyed the furnace filters. Okay, go inside. I gotta take that sledgehammer in. Yeah, I'll get the door for you. Thanks, but not a good. But I shouldn't be thanking you for that. Now we're gonna freeze to death this winter, and we gotta change our furnace filters soon. Just go to your room. Look what he did to the furnace filters. Look, he smashed them.
What? Why?
He thought they might not have worked, because I don't know.
Just get him out of here. I can't look at him.
Oh, that's just terrific. I better throw this stuff away. Now we gotta buy new furnace filters. This is ridiculous. Stupid bird. Unbelievable. I don't know if it's even recycling week. Good thing it's right here. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. The next day, alright, I brought a new furnace filter today. Can't believe this. Had to buy a whole new furnace filter since Red smashed the other one. So, the furnace filters. These might be exactly identical to the last ones we had. So, I guess I will see you guys soon. Bye.